breakfast. They have more meat selection for me today. So they have chicken fajitas with chilies on the top, and then beef fajitas, if you can see it. Plantain, chicken breast, ground beef, potato. They even have fried yuca, babe. And then cauliflower, and then some mashed green plantain and eggplant. I'm gonna start with my cabbage salad with balsamic vinegar and olive oil, cantaloupe, papaya, and guava underneath. And daddy, no surprise, bacon, egg, bread, chicken tenders, sausage, and some fajita. And coffee. I have some green tea. What is this one? Banana?
Banana. They didn't have the one I wanted.
We came back for this plantain. Usually it's like they fry green plantain, but this is more ripe this time, and it was good. It reminds me of our dessert in the Philippines, banana cake. So we came back for that as a dessert. And then the sweet potato that they have over there, it's not actually a sweet potato, it's like yuca, steamed yuca. So it's pretty good. So we came back for that one too. Just having it with my green tea.
Lisa's probably outside enjoying the view already. Hi, Dada. Enjoying the sun. Well, you're in the shade, but
The sun came
and
out.
the view.
It rained a little bit for like a couple minutes earlier, but it went away. So
Nice.
still a nice day here.
And I think that's the restaurant that we're gonna go to for lunch.
The lobster. Lobster place.
Yep.
So we're gonna go look up first, and then go have lunch. Right, babe?
Yeah. Work out and then eat lunch.
We were gonna go to Macau Beach today, but mine ended up going there first.
These are the punch pool below us. Ours is on the roof. So it's sweet. So what are you having for lunch, honey?
Oh, we're here right now at the Dukes and Lobster Seafood. And for starters, you ordered onion rings. I'm ordering the octopus gluten-free. So they're removing the bread and the avocado because I can't have avocado. And then you are having, you couldn't decide between cheeseburger and fish and chips, right?
I wanted fish and chips.
Yeah, fish and chips. And you also wanted the cheeseburger. So I just made a recommendation that you should just get both. No problem. This is all inclusive. And I am having the mahi skewer. All right. Yep. That has.
Oh, and I'm
a-
getting the onion rings too. And avocado.
Yeah. And then I'm having fresh coconut water poured in glass, because if they don't pour it in glass, you're gonna have to drink it in its shell.
Yeah.
You
And
don't strain it.
And I'm having the Dominican
Mesa.
Republic water, which is
Presidente.
what they call the Presidente. Yum, that's good stuff. Tastes almost like the one that they have.
San Miguel?
San Miguel.
Is it
San
really?
Miguel.
Wow. That's a very good standard.
It's pretty good. That's why even in the Philippines, San Miguel is their water over there, and here.
That's not true, because I never had San Miguel. I tried it and I didn't like it. I never liked beer in the first place. So anyway, show them
I
the
showed the back. And this is, oh, they covered it though. They put a screen down, but that's the back.
Okay, this is how the octopus looks like without the bread and avocado. Nice. And that is onion ring. That looks delicious, babe.
Yep.
Alright.
This is an appetizer. Look at this view.
Oh, that view is much better.
And that view. Wow.
Wow.
Double wow.
Mahi mahi. That's cheeseburger, fish and chips, with Dominican water. Can't get better than this. Salud. Alright, for dessert, tropical fruit and some homemade ice cream. The water is warm. Is it heated?
Yeah.
Did it say there?
No, but it feels heated.
So dirty, full of bars over there. So we came back from all day beach and pool day, and we came back to our room clean. They cleaned our room and also left this. So cute. Dinner outside at the Lobster and Seafood restaurant. So hopefully they'll let me just go with my shorts because it's outdoor, right? Should.
We'll be together with a room right over your head. We shall shelter on my single bed. We share the same room. Solo vamos pegando poquito a poquito. No es que tú me des a confesar, no me desmalices con delicadeza, pasito a pasito.
food.
Lychee Martini.
Good stuff.
So a couple bread.
One
Couple
dish?
bread. Yes, one dish. Couple bread with pesto and lemon butter sauce.
Okay.
Thank
you.
If you're ready for order, you let me know, okay?
All right.
Are you ready to order?
You ready?
I'm ready.
This is our starter, for me at least. It's calamari. And for Issa's starter, quite a starter.
Oh my God.
So, I think that's dinner, honey. Not even a starter.
Well, they couldn't give me any gluten-free calamari, so they said I can have this as a starter.
Wow.
Right.
I hope you're hungry.
Babe, what did I eat this afternoon? Tell me.
Yes, 2 kebabs.
Cute kebabs, which has 4 little pieces per kebab of mahi-mahi.
That's
All
it.
I
And the
had.
other
I
ones.
couldn't eat the rice.
And in between were like vegetables that weren't even.
So I deserve a starter like
Alright,
this.
sounds good. Enjoy.
Yes.
Yes, this is Manuel.
Manuel.
Who's been helping us today. Thank you, Manuel. Thank you. So this is our dinner for tonight at Twins Lobster Seafood Restaurant. I had lobster yesterday, but that was tiny. This is big. This is a good size. Yeah, actually size. And what is this? It's a type of beef, like tenderloin leg. Zucchini. Same with that. But it has some sauce. I couldn't have sauce because of the meat. And Manuel thinks that we're going to get too slow. This is just our first martini. Alrighty. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Enjoy, honey.
Thank you, baby.
Alright. I was just saying, and I think I need to capture this on camera. But this lobster is so juicy and tasty.
Sirloin is perfectly cooked. Little pink in there.
Oh my God. That was a good bite. Totally recommend this place. And the waiters and the people here are great. Take a bite with the sirloin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The portion is just right. In the morning, I probably couldn't finish.
He keeps coming back to make sure that we get another drink, but this is our first one and we couldn't finish it. Do you want the same thing?
No.
Got it. Alright, that's our review. Totally recommend.
Not even romantic.